Hi, I'm Ben from Talkback Academy. In this video, I'm going to prepare a class I'm actually teaching tomorrow, and I'm going to show you how I make interactive language learning activities and send them directly to my students anywhere in the world. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is what you will see when you first log in. And what I want to do, I want to build an activity. So here we go. And you have a choice of 7 different activity types. The one I'm going to choose is matching. So I need a title. In conversation. This is the name of the class I'm teaching tomorrow. And I'm just going to write some questions on the left and some answers on the right. Just a simple conversation. Okay, that's okay. So I'm going to save and build. Okay, so my class tomorrow, I'm using Zoom, so I can share my screen and students will be able to see the activity that way. But what I really want to be able to do is I want my students to see the activity themselves and be able to move the things around, to be able to do the activity for themselves. And there is a very, very simple way of doing this. You just need to press spacebar. Now, this will send the activity to your group, and that means anyone anywhere in the world viewing your group will be able to do the activity for themselves, which is great. But the big question is, how do you get students to view your group? How do you share your group? And for that, we need to go back to the dashboard. Okay, now there are 2 ways. You can either give students this link, which is on the right side of the dashboard, and if I just copy and paste that in the browser, this is a direct link to your class. So as you can see, it just loads up the activity that we just sent. Alternatively, students can download the Talkback Academy app, which is on Google Play and the App Store. And then if they have the app, they will need this group ID 0566 for my class. Your group ID will be something different. And then same thing, they will be able to see the activity. Right, now final thing, the activity that I just made was to supplement a lesson that's already been made, and that is in the course library, pre-intermediate. And there is a whole selection of lessons here that you can choose from. The one I'm doing tomorrow is Say What You Did at the Weekend. And yeah, so this is basically my lesson is now planned.